Namaste from me to you. I am Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Continuing with our series on Focus Third, our focus will be on SAW, 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 see, stop, seem. So let's start with SAW, SAW, SAW. Did you see that? Yes, I saw it. I saw a dog swim across the river. As the dog came to the banks of the river, I saw the owner of the dog. I saw that he was training his dog. Near the river, I saw many beautiful birds. I saw many fruit-bearing trees. I saw mangoes and jackfruits in the trees. The second word is sea, S-E-A-C. The sea, at sea, by sea, the Red Sea, the Dead Sea, sea level, sea waves, seafood, sea lion. Do you want to go swimming in the sea? Sea water is salty. I know, but if you tell me to go swimming, I would love to go swimming in the Dead Sea. Why is that? Because everyone will float in the Dead Sea. But do you know this? The Dead Sea is not a sea. It is a salt lake bordering Jordan and Israel. The water has high salt content. The Dead Sea is so salty that nothing can live in it. No fishes, no plants. The next word is stop, S-T-O-P, stop. Stop here, stop there. Stop by bus stop. Where's the bus stop? Do you see the stop sign? That's where the bus stop is. Thank you. How was the comedy show? The comedy show was amazing. The crowd could not stop laughing. People could not stop their laughter. After the show ended, when we came out, it was still raining. When is the rain going to stop? Asked Ria. No idea. I feel the rain will not stop for another day. The last word is seem. Seem happy, seem excited, seem like, seem right. Jack and Jill seem very happy. Yeah, they seem to be very happy in each other's company. Hello Jill, how are you? You seem busy. Yes, a little bit. What happened, Kel? You seem to be worried. Nothing much, it's my dog. He seems to be sick. Do you know any vet nearby? I'll check out. The vet seems to be busy, but he has promised to come soon. So that's all in today's lesson. Meet you again in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed, and take care.